Can you get a point of no return?
What do you mean?
Like after this, we gotta go all the way. So no making out. Come on, let's go, man. Jaga batu rock. Batu.
What is happening? You have a light?
Yes. Okay. So
Shucks, man, it's a light, man. What is this?
so this was a war bunker. If you see, it goes all the way in deep. They filled up the land. They filled it up with land, but I mean, if you want to, you can go in.
Okay, go in lah.
Go. Aku nak turun.
Macam mana sangat lu begini?
Turun.
Okay, kau lead lah. Kau takut
Tak ada takut, tak ada apa-apa.
Tak ada apa-apa
Ya, kan. What's up?
I go first. Are you sure?
Okay, hello and welcome to another episode of Outside The Courtroom. So, you know, we heard you, many of you said we should go to the Seah Im Bunkers next. And that's what we're going to explore today, the Seah Im Bunkers. So, the idea is we're going to be crossing this entire area and hopefully we'll end up right at the top of the hill, which is going to be a very beautiful scenery for all of you to see. But I have some caveats. I'm not going to tell you how I go in, I'm not going to tell you where I walked. But we're going to start recording again once we are inside the jungle because you know, these things are dangerous. You should do what you can, but I'm not going to help you get in there. So, but if you do find a way in, because there's a lot of resources online, it will be an extremely fun hike. But here's a funny story, right? I love this trail. It's an amazing incline. But there was one time I entered it, started about 10 minutes in. I suddenly had to go to the toilet so badly that I finished the entire hike in about 20 minutes. So it is possible if you need to push yourself. So enjoy, come, let's go. So this is the first bunker. So this was where they used to keep war munitions. Yeah, it looks freaky, right? But it's actually nothing much. You can walk in. You have a light?
What is happening? You have a light?
Yes. Okay. So
Shucks, man, it's a light, man. What is this?
so this was a war bunker. If you see, it goes all the way in deep. They filled up the land. They filled it up with land, but I mean, if you want to, you can go in.
Okay, go in lah.
Go. Aku nak turun.
Macam mana sangat lu begini?
Turun.
Okay, kau lead lah. Kau takut
Tak ada takut, tak ada apa-apa.
Tak ada apa-apa
Ya, kan. What's up?
I go first. Are you sure?
So this was where war munitions were kept. So bagus Come on, man. You can do it. Feel the nature. Ni satu tip, bro. Satu tip. If you go hiking on off trails, usually many people go through such trails as well. They will always leave markers behind. So, pen mark, plastic, tissue. One way to keep you on track. Okay, Zach?
Zach, are you okay? I worry that honestly there's a long road ahead. Because the last time when we were looking down, it seems that the hike never ended.
I always forget the way up. I can't see the trail. Can you see the trail? Can you get a point of no return?
Yeah, what do you mean?
Like after this, we gotta go all the way. So no making out. Come on, let's go, man. Jaga batu rock. Batu. Okay, sini nak kena jaga bila jalan. Tipis, narrow. So beautiful, right?
What's this?
So this used to be part of I don't know, there's a lot of rumors around it. Some people say that it's part of an irrigation system that the British built when they occupied this entire hill. Some also say they use it as a swimming pool. This makes it look like it was a swimming pool, but yeah, it could very well be both. There are drainage supplies systems all around, but since I guess after the war until now, nobody has used this place. It's entirely overgrown, but it is extremely peaceful. You know, many people like to hike and come here. After this, we are gonna go explore the right side, but on the left side, there are actually a lot more bunkers. Some of them undiscovered because totally overgrown. Yeah, so it's beautiful. It's an amazing scenery. Yeah, shall we? Hi.
How are you?
Oh,
Okay.
apa?
Your son from below.
Huh? Yes. Japanese tomb, bro. Some say he was a very fierce Japanese soldier.
Okay.
Ada some stories kata dia was a Japanese soldier, but then when he was in Malaya, dia in the sense belot Jepun.
I see.
Dia kahwin orang Islam kat sana. Bila dia turun sini, dia fight against the Japanese.
Oh, dia kira pembelot kepada Japanese
Jepun,
Army dan dia dikuburkan di sini.
Tapi ada orang kata dia meninggal orang Islam. So
Eh.
Allah alam. Aduh. There's a hornet. Hornet laju. Jalan laju. Ada hornet. Ya. Okay, so that's another episode of Outside the Courtroom. I hope you enjoyed the journey, and if you're up for it, I would encourage you to try the trail out, but at your own risk. I'm not encouraging you to do anything that you can't do. It's really fun. Singapore normal parks are boring. This beats everything else. This view, that nature, you can get the fresh air, the shade. It's amazing. So try it out, guys.
Boys outside the courtroom.
Okay.
Okay, so we eat prata or what?